one or more patients. One patient can give treatment to one or more doctor. If you mix guys, it becomes many to many. Are you getting my point there or not there? Super. Yes, guys. NTSB BMS 1103. 515. Okay, 515. Spring Boot data JPA. Once this is over, we'll be having sessions on what? MVC. Spring Boot MVC. MongoDB, all these are common topics I will take on weekends, right? My MVC classes, REST and microservice. These are the main topics. Remaining all topics will be taught as what? Common topics, okay, on weekends, and for certain topics, videos will be given, right, boss? Okay. Let's see what we can do there. 515. $17, right? Association mapping 17, 18. This is 18, Babu. Yeah, this is 18 where we are discussing about many to many. Many to many association mapping using Spring Data JPA. At a database software level, we need 3 tables for building what? Many to many association. For building many to many association. Table 1 for holding parent table records, table 2 for holding child table records, table 3 for holding join table record. Actual relationship will be built here using multiple FK columns. What columns, guys? FK is nothing but foreign key columns of the third table. In third table, we'll be having 2 foreign key column. First foreign key column point to parent table 1 primary key column. Second foreign key column points to table 2 primary key column. Combination of these two both foreign key columns together, many to many association will be built. Total 3 tables are required. That's why this association is little different from other association. Many to many example scenarios, guys. Faculty student. Each faculty can teach multiple student, and each student can get training from what? Can get training from multiple faculties. Can get training from multiple faculties. That's good. Doctor, patient. Each doctor can treat multiple patients. Okay, each patient can get treatment from multiple doctors. Project programmers. Some projects, not every time. One project can have multiple programmers. Sometimes each programmer can work for what? Multiple projects. Sometimes. Okay, now? Many to many association is one to many association from parent plus one to many association from child. So overall it is going to become what? Many to many association. Are you getting my point there or not there? Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. JPA, many to many faculty. JPA, many to many student. Okay, na? Yeah, this is table 1. Table 1, what is there? Parent table. This is table 2, child table. And table 3, association table. Look at this. 101,001, 101,002, 102,002. Okay, this combination will build many to many association. And on both foreign key columns together, again constraint is applied, that is primary key. That is called composite primary key, guys. If PK is applied on one column, singular primary key. If PK is applied on multiple column, that is what? Composite primary key. That means individual columns can have a duplicate, but combination value cannot be duplicated. Check it out. 101,001 will not be repeated again because composite primary key is there on the both foreign key columns. Right? Okay, now listen. How can you say here what doctor and patients are? What is our tables, guys? Faculty and student. Okay. How can you say here doctor and faculties are there in what? Sorry, student and faculties are there in many to many association. Check it out. 101 student is taking training from two faculties. Yes, 1,001 faculty is giving training to one student, but whereas 1,002 faculty is giving training to two students. Association is shown in the third table, not in what? First two table. When it comes to application development, we take two entity classes, but those two entity classes should refer three tables, boss. That is very interesting part here. Okay, to specify the third table information and the third table FK columns information, come on. Third table what? FK column information. Yes, we take the support of what? Okay. We take the support of what? At the rate join table annotation. What annotation? At the rate join table annotation. What is that annotation, guys? At the rate join table. Comfortable or not, guys? Okay. If PK constraint is applied on single column of DB table, then it is called singular PK. What PK, guys? Singular PK. If PK constraint is applied on multiple columns, then it is called what? Composite PK. Here combination values of multiple columns should not be duplicated. Should be duplicated or should not be duplicated? Should be duplicated or should not be duplicated? Okay. What happened? File open. 515 Spring Data JPA 18. What's happening, guys? When I select, it is getting hanged. This kind of problems also will be there. Huh? Great. Great. Okay, let's not disturb that then. I thought of keeping in the same line. Okay, okay. You are good in your own line. Fine. We'll adjust. We'll adjust many to many. I think you understood. Parent table records, child table records, and in the third table, association is built, boss. Come on. Right. Entire magic is there. One faculty teaching to 10 students. What happened? Faculty ID, the student ID is another side. 10 times 10 entries will come in third table. Based on that combination, we built third association. Many to many association are not, guys. Required annotations are many to many to build association. Join column to specify FK column. Join table to specify third table and its FK column. Here join column will be used inside the join table annotation. In join table, two foreign key columns you have to specify. One is owning side foreign key column, parent table. And opposite side foreign key column also you have to specify now, my dear. Okay. That's why inside the join table annotation, we specify what? Two at the rate join column annotation. How many number? Two number of at the rate join column annotations. Convinced, my dear? Come on, everyone. Super, guys. Tell me here. In Spring Boot data JPA, we need to take two entity classes mapped with what? Three tables while building many to many association mapping example application. Three tables we have to take, but two entity classes only. To build this association, parent class should have what? Collection type has a property to hold bunch of child class objects, and child class should have what? Collection type has a property to hold bunch of what? Parent class object. That means parent class should have a special property of type collection to hold bunch of childs. Okay, child class should have a one. Special collection type has a property to hold what? Bunch of parent objects. So many to many association is always what? Bidirectional association. What association, guys? Bidirectional association. This is my faculty.java. Okay. This is my student.java. Observe this. In faculty.java, this is the special property now, my dear. Definitely, this is the special property. In student.java, don't you think it is a special property, guys? Don't you think it's a special property, my dear? Are you getting my point? Yes. Okay, we will write everything nicely, but it is not allowing to save the document. Huh? Okay, good. For saving also circle symbol, huh? Fine. I think, should I delete any temporary files in my system? Let me open run option. How to get the temporary files, guys? Percentile, temp, percentile, percentile, temp. Delete temporary files, history, cookies, saved password, and web information. Oh, it will delete everything, huh? No, guys. Okay. Windows R. 1 minute first. Let me empty the recycle bin content, guys. Where is recycle bin? Recycle bin. Empty recycle bin, guys. Okay. Okay. Some data is there in recycle bin. Windows R. Windows R. Windows R. Percentile temp percentile. Save okay. Lot of temporary folders are there, guys. Let me delete it. Yeah, I think any other suggestions? Windows or clean manager? Huh? Clean manager is coming in the current version or not coming? Not coming. Anything else? Skip. Windows or percentile prefetch, directly free fetch. Okay. Prefetch. So can I delete this? Okay. Let's hope for the best. I think temporary folders I already deleted, Rababu. Temporary already deleted, guys. Please. Anything else? Who is uh, who is a little good in Windows operating system? Help me. These are another, sir. These are another. Which another? Only temp I have to type. Okay. Windows are only temp. Oh, these are not temp files. Okay. These are gone, guys. Fine. We'll see what could be the possible reason. Eclipse ID. That's great. Yeah, this is what? 1103, right? Yeah. 515. Say lunch. Yeah. Let the applications boot. Spring Starter project, guys. Spring Starter project. Hmm. What is the project number? 13, huh? 13. Association mapping. What is there? Many to many. Association mapping. 13 or 14, guys? I think 14 yesterday we have taken for joins. Let me take 15. 13 is already taken, 14, right? Okay. Say next. As usually, Lamba KPA, Spring Data JPA, MySQL driver, Oracle driver. Say next. Say finish. Yes, guys. Mhm. Okay, guys. There is a project number Good Data JPA Association Mapping. Okay. From this, we can bring up application.properties file name idea. Okay. Copy this. Okay. Save paste. Yes to all. Right click com.nt.service. Package com.nt.repository. Next, package com.nt.entity. Entity class is also required now. New package com.nt.runners. Okay. First, we will develop the entity classes. Class, okay, student, one side. Class student to one side. Another side what? Faculty. One side student, one side what? Faculty. One side student, one side faculty. Here is my student.java, guys. What dot Java? Student dot. Okay. In our style, regular style. At the rate entity. Control plus shift plus O. Next one. At the rate entity. Next one, what is there? At the rate table. Name is equal to OTM underscore student underscore. It's not OTM, guys. It is M2M underscore student. M2M underscore student, guys. Student underscore tab. Some meaningful name I am taking. Yes, this is done. Yeah. At the rate setter. Okay. At the rate getter. At the rate setter, at the rate getter. No arg constructor. Next one. All arg constructor. One side, yeah, required also we added, but let me first add the properties. Integer SID, student ID, guys. At the rate ID. Okay, what is there? Sequence generator. Name is equal to gen1. Sequence name is equal to SID underscore sequence. Okay. Initial value 1000. Allocation size increment by is 1. Okay, I'll start student with 100, guys. That's better. Next one. Generated value. Generator is equal to gen1. Strategy is equal to what, guys? What is equal to? Strategy is equal to? Yeah, generator type dot sequence. Okay, this is done, my dear. Yes. Control plus shift plus O. Persistence dot ID. We are ready with the story, my dear. Okay, that's good. Tell me. Private string yes name. Private string yes name. Private string SADDRS. Okay. Tell me. I think these are the normal, regular properties. So let me control their length, guys. At the rate column length is equal to 30. At the rate column length is equal to 30. Okay, right. Private set. Set or list your choice. Anything you can take, right, boss? Private set. Hmm. Faculties. Private set faculties. Faculties. This is a special property that is holding, guys. Java dot util dot this. Okay. At the rate many to many association. What is there, guys? Target entity is equal to faculty dot class. What dot class, guys? Yeah, target entity is equal to faculty dot class. Next one. Uh, reference column name. No, target class. Cascade is equal to cascade type dot all. Fetch. Okay, fetch type dot lazy or eager. Your choice, anything you can do. This is a regular one, but entire magic is there in the third one, right? Join table. It is not join column, join table. You have to mention third table, guys. Name of the third table. What is the name of the third table? M to M. Okay. M to M. Students, studs underscore, faculties underscore tab. Because it's contained both tables, that's the first one. Comma. Followed by that, what is there, guys? Followed by that, what is there, guys? Followed by that, what is there? Okay. Get the rate join table name M to M studs faculties underscore tab. Faculties underscore what? Tab. Then what is there? Okay. Join column. What is that? Join column. At the rate join column. Owning side join column. That means foreign key column. Okay. At the rate join column. Here what? Join column. Array, in one annotation parameter, we are using another annotation. Don't confuse. There. Okay. Name of the foreign key column, guys. Join column. Name is equal to. Tell me in third table, right now we are in the student side. Okay. So can we take stud underscore ID as the foreign key column name? Okay. Referenced column name SID. Referenced column name SID. Referenced column name SID. Next one. Inverse join column. What column, guys? Yeah, this is done, guys. Tell me next one. Inverse join column. At the rate join column. Tell me. Yeah, name is equal to faculty underscore ID. Referenced column name. What is there? FID. Array, non-owning side foreign key column. Here only I am writing both. Na? Other side I can use mapped by. Come on, guys. Here only I am writing owning side foreign key column details. Non-owning side, that means other side foreign key column. So happily I can write what, my dear? Okay. That's great. Yeah. Join column is one thing. Here is my join column. Here is my inversed join column. Okay, referenced column name FID. Right. Control plus shift plus O. Why it is not giving, why is given red color for all this stuff? Lambda API is not added, guys. Added. Yeah, here comma is missing. Here comma is missing. Tell me. Inverse join column. Spell mistakes, huh? Okay. Right, boss. He's a psycho candidate. Right. Name, join columns, inverse what? Join columns. Here is my what? Faculties. Here information about faculties is there or not there? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Here I am writing required arg constructor. What are constructor, guys? Required arg constructor. Yeah, tell me here what is this? Huh? At the rate non-null. At the rate non-null. At the rate non-null. Okay, only these two things because that I want to set manually only. Which non-null? Lambda KPI non-null. So many non-nulls are there, but prefer Lambda KPI. To get the feeling whether this class object is created or not, no arg I comment, I remove, guys. I'll place manually. I'll place that one as what? Explicit constructor, right? Yes. I place that one as what? Explicit constructor. Here, how to place, guys? Public student sysout. Okay. Zero param construct. Okay. Now I'm taking what? ToString method, guys. Alt plus shift plus yes. Yes, comma, yes. Alt plus shift plus yes, comma, yes, guys. What is the story there, guys? Alt plus shift plus yes, comma, yes. Here, how to deal with this, my dear? Come on. Alt plus shift plus yes, comma, yes. Alt plus shift plus yes, comma, yes. Here is my faculties, guys. Here is my generate word. Cut it. Yes. This is my faculty.java. Okay, similarly, we have to develop everything in faculty class also now, my dear. Yes, here is my student.java, guys. In this place, copy this. Here is my faculty.java. Okay. MTM underscore faculty underscore tab. What underscore? Faculty underscore tab. Followed by that. All arg constructor, required arg constructor. Yeah, once you write the property, you will get those red marks. You will get rid of those. Await integer FID. Await string F name. Yeah. Okay. Private string subject. What is the one I'm taking, guys? Subject. Private string qualification. Private string qualification. Are you getting my point? Next. Private set. Private set. Faculty. No. Private set. Student. What is there? Students. Private set students, right? Okay. At the rate. Tell me, guys. At the rate, how much, guys? At the rate ID. At the rate ID. Tell me. At the rate generated. At the rate sequence generator. Name is equal to gen1. Okay. Sequence name. What is there? FID underscore sequence. Initial value, how much? 1000. Allocation size 1. Allocation size 1. Generated value. What value? Generator is equal to, what is there? Gen1. Generator is equal to gen1. Tell me next one. Strategy is equal to sequence. Strategy is equal to gen1. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Let's control lengths of these things, guys. At the rate column, length is equal to 30. At the rate column, length is equal to 30. At the rate column, length is equal to 30. Yeah. Here, what is there, guys? Many to many. Target entity is equal to, what is equal to? Many to many. Target entity is equal to, where is that, guys? Student dot class. Student dot class. Yeah. Cascade type dot all. That's the best value. Fetch type dot eager. Fetch type dot eager, guys. Fetch type dot eager. Listen, I don't want to write again join table here. The same information, if I write also. That's why here I can happily use a mapped by which property, guys? Faculty is proper. That's a basic advantage of what? Mapped by param in many to many association. Come on. That's a real advantage of what? Mapped by param that is there with what? Many to many association. If I don't use mapped by join table should be copy pasted here as it is. Owning side, non-owning side, both you have to mention. But already that information is mentioned there. Why should I repeat here? Happily I can use mapped by there now, boss. Already, but this can be done only in what? Bidirectional association, not everywhere, right? This cannot be done everywhere. It can be done only in bidirectional association. Right. Now it's easy now. Anything great? Collection property in target class, collection property in child class. From parent one to many, from child one to many. If you mix up, many to many. If you mix up, it is going to be what? Many to many. Okay, that's great. This is my repository, guys. New. Where is that? Interface. Where is that, guys? Interface. Student repository. What is there? Student repository. What's the annotation I should add here? JPA repository. Student repository, JPA repository. Yes, guys. Tell me here, student. What is there, guys? Integer. Integer, guys. What is there? Integer. Okay, guys. Public interface, student repository extends what? JPA repository, student comma integer. That's good. Okay. Right click, guys, new class. Yeah, tell me, guys. Faculty repository. Faculty repository, add JPA repository. That's good. Yeah, what is this? Faculty. Other side, what is there? Integer. Integer. It should not go for implement. It should say what? Extends. Here is my JPA repository or not, guys? Okay. Extends, change extends to implements. Acha. I got it. I got it, guys. It should be interface. Okay, I'll take this one as iFaculty, guys, to give the feeling it's an interface. When it comes to student also, I'll put what? iStudent. iFaculty repository, iStudent repository was. What is that? iFaculty repository and what? iStudent repository. Okay. Yeah, com.nt. What? Service. What dot service, guys? Com.nt. Service. We are ready with this. Okay, now let's go to service, guys. Interface. What is that? College. I college management. What guys? I college management service. I college management service. Here is my what? Public string. Register student. Public string. What is there, guys? Register student. Register student. Set student. Otherwise, okay, we try to insert bunch of students only, na, they're associated faculties, right? Okay, register student. Okay, I will pass a list of students. List student list. Okay, I try to insert the student, but associated faculties also should be inserted. And that should be reflected nicely in what? Third table. Yeah, let us implement this. New guys, class, college management, service IMPL. Tell me. I college management. That's good. That's super. Add unimplemented methods. Yeah, tell me here what is there? Service. What is there? Okay. Service default bean ID. Will manage with the default bean ID, guys. Wait, tell me. I student repository stud repo @auto. Wait, what is this? Faculty repository, faculty repo @auto. @auto. That's great. Okay, guys. Yeah, stud repo and what? Faculty repo. Public string, register student, list this. Register student, list this. Okay. Now tell me here, what is there? Okay, I want to insert one record or multiple records, multiple. Then for that one, save all can be used now, boss. Okay. Okay, guys. List. List student, saved list is equal to. Okay, student repo dot save all list. Yeah, but from there I want to get only. How can you use a save all of JPA repository directly returns list? Save all of what? Good repository returns what? Table. Here it returns directly list collection. That's a good news. Save the batch, save the batch. Okay. We are actually saving parent object, but automatical associated childs will be saved and relevant foreign keys will be updated in what? Third table or not, guys. Okay, that's great. Here, list integer, what guys? List integer IDs is equal to saved list dot stream. Saved list dot stream dot what dot guys? Saved list dot stream dot map of what is there, guys? Student colon what colon? Saved list dot stream dot student colon what is there? Get SID. What ID? Only ID values I want to gather. Dot collect. Tell me. Collectors dot toString. Collectors dot toList. Get only ID value. Saved list. ID values of saved list. List integer IDs is equal to right students and their faculty and the associated faculties are saved with ID values plus IDs. With ID values plus IDs. Control plus shift plus O. College management service IMPL. College management service IMPL. That's great, guys. Okay. Here is my runners option now, my dear. Yes. Runners option is there. Okay, here is what? New class. Here is my what? Runners option, new class. Yeah, what is the runner, guys? Many to many. Association test. Many to many association test runner. Okay, what is the runner? Command line runner. Okay, and I do one thing, guys. Here, only for making things simple. Array, if I make this one as empty hash set, adding items to hash set that is already initialized, it becomes quite easy, na? We can just add kind of. Not compulsory to take. This is one model I'm showing, guys. Okay. In faculties also, I'm taking what? Empty hash set. Empty hash set. Okay. Many to many association what? Test runner. Here what is there? Many to many association test runner, boss. Okay. Those exception. Here is my what? At the rate component. At the rate component. Wait. What is there? College management service. What is there, guys? College service. At the rate auto. What wide, guys? At the rate auto wide. Okay. At the rate auto wide. Tell me here what is there? Right. Tell me here what is there? Right. Try catch. Exception E. E dot print stack trace. Prepare. Prepare parent objects. Okay, what is that? Student. Student stud1 is equal to new student of. Raja. What is there? Hyderabad. Okay. What is the next one? Only two things are. Okay. Only two things are. Non-null. Yes name, yes address. student stud 2. Okay, what is there, guys? Mahesh Vizag. What is there, guys? Mahesh Vizag. Next one. Faculty 1 is equal to new faculty of. Faculty 1 is equal to new faculty of. Okay. Karan, what is there, guys? What are those faculty? Subject to qualification. Subject to what? CS, qualification, M.Tech. That is faculty 1. Why error? Yeah, we have forgot to keep what? At the rate none. At the rate none. Yeah, faculty 1, faculty 2. Here is what? Faculty 2. Mahesh, where is that? CS, okay, chemistry. Chemistry. Here, what is there? MSc. I'll take two more, one extra student, guys, to increase the possibility of combination. Okay, where is this? Ramesh. Here is what? Delhi. Okay. Yeah, we have taken what? This one. Yeah, now let us make assign faculty students to faculties. Let us assume faculty 1 is teaching to all the 3 students, whereas faculty 2 is teaching only to student 2 and student 3. Shall we add accordingly, guys? Yeah. Faculty 1 dot get faculties. Faculty 1 dot get students dot add stud 1. Dot add stud 1. Faculty 1 dot get student stud 2. Faculty 1 dot get students dot is there stud 3. Stud 3, right, my dear? Come on, everyone. So total how many faculties, guys? 3. Okay, now same thing. Faculty 2 dot get students of stud 2. Faculty 2 dot, come on, get students dot stud 3. Okay, here two faculties got added here or not there. This is done, guys. Okay, same thing we have to link in reverse order also. Assign faculties to. Assign faculties to students. Assign faculties to students. Tell me how to assign, guys. Student 1 is getting training from both the faculties. Student 2 is also getting training from both the faculties. I think student 1 is getting training only from what? Faculty 1. Student 2, student 3 is getting training from what? Both the faculties, right? Okay. Stud 1 dot get faculties of add faculty 1. That's good. Stud 1 dot stud 2 dot Get faculties of add faculty 1. Stud2 dot get faculties of add faculty 2. Next one, guys. Stud2 stud3 dot get faculties dot faculty 1. Stud3 dot tell me get faculties dot faculty 2. This is done, my dear. Come on, everyone. Yes. Okay. Assign faculties to students, guys. Come on. Assign faculties to student. Students to faculties, assign faculties to what? Students. Are you getting my point there, my dear? Super. Okay. Now tell me here, what is the next one? Combination is done. But my method is expecting details in the form of what? List collection. But if I use list data of immutable list is coming, updation is becoming problem. Especially generation of ID value is becoming problematic. So keeping that in mind, we have to prefer what? Huh? Okay, arrays dot as list is a simple option or not, guys? Arrays dot as list is what? Simple option or not, guys? Come on, my dear. Super boss. Okay, let's see. Assign faculties to what? Students. Okay. Tell me, guys. Okay. Call the service class method. Call the service class method. Yeah, what is the service class method, my dear? What is the service class method? String MSG is equal to, but before that, list student, list is equal to, list student, list is equal to, come on, is equal to arrays dot, what dot, guys? Arrays dot as a list of, arrays dot as a list of, okay, stud1, stud2, stud3. Stud1, stud2, stud3. Okay. String message is equal to, come on. Okay. Student service dot, what service dot, guys? Did I not inject that? Service, college service. Here we have taken it as what? College service dot. Register student of list. Control plus shift plus O. Okay. SOP. Where is that, guys? SOP message, my dear. Yeah, this is coming unnecessarily, guys. Leave it. Yeah, if I press wrong key, that is coming, we know that, right? End of the catch. End of the method. End of the class. End of the method, end of the class. Is that right? Okay. Here is what com.nt. Okay, let me make sure that less than 30 characters are there here. Say next, say finish, save. Right click, run as, what is there? Java. What is there? Application.properties is mapped by mapped property name faculties, which does not exist. Any spell mistake, guys? Faculties, spell mistake is there. Faculties. Here, spell mistake. Faculties. Okay, that's great. Right click, run as, what is there? Java application. Where is the error, boss? Yeah, the same mistake is continued here also. Application.properties, everything is kept now. Copy pasted now, boss. Run as, what is there? Java application. Objects are created, tables are created, pre-students are inserted, and associated faculties also will be saved or not, guys. Associated faculties also would have been saved. Okay, let's see that, guys. Where is this? SQL developer shortcut. Say okay. What is this, guys? This. Here is my table spot, guys. Tell me here what is there. Okay, guys. Yeah, what is the table, guys? M to M, right? M to M. M to M underscore M to M student underscore tab. This is the table one, right? Faculty underscore tab. Two tables. And faculties underscore tab. Total three things, guys. Okay, look at this. Three students are inserted. Two faculties are inserted. FID may be there already. That's why it's going according to its sequence. Yes, my dear. Data. Okay, they are linked with each other or not? Sir, you asked for 100 or 1000, something like this. Why they are coming? Like maybe SID underscore sequence, FID underscore sequence might be there already in the database. And they are already generating around 60 and 160 kind of numbers. That's why they are coming like this. But entire relation is built based on the third table data only, na, my dear. Very, very interesting. We are able to build many to many association here. Easy. Any difficulty, boss? Okay, that's great. So can we do reverse from child to parent also? After all, it's a bidirectional association. Come on. Anything complex in this, guys? No. I college meant this one. Register faculties and their students. Register faculties and their students, guys. Tell me here what is there? List student list. What is there? List faculty list. List faculty list, guys. Okay, same logic with respect to faculties we have to do. Okay. Say paste. List, where is that, guys? List faculty. Saved faculty. Okay, saved list. What is there? Faculty repo dot. Save all first. Okay. I'm not getting you. What is this? What was your laptop RAM and ROM? Even having Oracle, also so many software laptop working smoothly. I think it's i7, it seems. i7, boss. i7. Yeah, that's fine. Register and faculties, this is okay. IDs, okay. Faculty dot, what is there? Faculty dot get FID. This students, no. Faculties and associated students are saved with ID values plus this. This part is same, guys. Service IMPL, college service IMPL. No return null, my dear. Yes, that's good. Okay. Many to many association test. Done, boss. Yeah, here is what? Try. Student 1, student 2, student 3. Faculty 1, faculty 2. Yeah, this time we'll change the data. Same three. You can take in less student, more faculties, your choice. Okay, we'll change. Raja 1, Mahesh 1, Ramesh 1. I to avoid the confusion. Same linking, guys. But this time I want to add through faculties. Right? Okay. List faculties. List faculty list is equal to faculty 1 and faculty 2. Faculty 1 and faculty 2. College service dot, tell me, register faculties and their student. Okay. Exception E dot print stack address. Exception E dot print stack address. Fine. Okay. Exception E dot print stack trace. Are we ready? Are you ready here, my dear? Got it? Yes. Many to many association test. Boot data JPA. Right click. Tell me guys, right click. Run as what? Java application. Right click, simply run as a Java application. Okay, guys. Yeah, faculty one, faculty two, guys. Yeah, let's run. Right now we are trying to go for child to parent, right? Already parent to child we have seen. Child to parent. Okay, right click, run as Java application. What's happening? Yes. More records are inserted now, my dear. Okay. Another another three students are inserted. Yes. Another two faculties. There is not count is fixed as any number. And more combination records are inserted here. Right now we are able to go for what? Child to parent record insertion are not there. Like this, we are able to build many to many association. Tomorrow when we meet, we'll see some select operations on it. We'll do some more operations on this, right? Followed by that, we will end the Spring Data JPA module and we will move to introduction to Spring Boot MVC. What is that? Spring Boot MVC. But meanwhile, I'll give two videos to watch. MVC1 architecture, MVC2 architecture videos, guys. Because from there everything starts. Tomorrow onwards, your mind should be tuned towards website development. So Servlet JSP knowledge is going to help. At least the Servlet knowledge is required. JSP we can learn and use dynamically. Okay. Web application development we are going to do. Definitely Servlet JSP knowledge is required, guys. Okay. Let it be, guys. Here is Natraz. Fine. Where is this? 5:30 p.m. one, right? Here is 5:30 p.m. one. Classroom applications, no. Spring Data JPA, file upload, session 19, not this. Where is this, guys? Yeah, where is this, guys? 515. Spring Data JPA. Then what is there? 18. Association mapping. Okay, videos. All videos. Video URLs, guys. What URLs? Video URLs. Control F. Hmm. Okay, MVC1. MVC1, MVC2. I think there are some shorter videos also. Here we have MVC1, MVC2. These two things. Dynamic registration of servlet MVC1, MVC2. I want you people to watch these videos as early as possible. Okay, na? Right, because there are some basics of architectures are there towards web application development. Keeping that in mind only, we develop the remaining things. Okay, right. That's good, guys. When we meet in what? Tomorrow's class, we'll wind up Spring Data JPA.